Kumana na kiria kironeka ta thirikari iri ihenya-ine kugeria gukinyaniria ituge inya cia uthii wa na mbere cia President Kenyatta ihinda-ini ria miaka itatu iria itigarite. Kamiti ya ministeri ithukiirwo kibarua gia gukinyaniria ituge ici inya rungu rwa utongoria wa Dagitari Fred Matiang'i ni icemanirie na kanja ya magavana umuthi igeri-ini ria kweheria mihinga iria ikoretwo ho gatagati wa honge ici igiri cia thirikari hari gukinyaniria tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere.
We have agreed how we are going to engage, interact, so that the Big Four agenda is a success.
We have about 199 projects which are resourced, but their movement is affected by matters that we have not ironed out between ourselves and the counties, where we need to agree with the counties. Counties are interested in particular direction, or they want to do certain things, and we have not actually had an opportunity to sit down with the county government and resolve those issues to their satisfaction so that the projects can move forward.
Nitutete miaka iri utukeragia mikawa-ini ino minene na tuigaru ni hindi ya kuma mikawa-ini tucoke na kuria mashinani tuwe maendeleo na maimplemento.
Mucemanio wa umuthi ukihithuria ati muigana wa tabarira 199 cia uthii wa na mbere nicio irugamite ona thengia wa gukorwo ihetwo mbeca njiganu kuikinyaniria. Gitumi kinene ari ngucanio cia mithemba itiganite gatagati wa thirikari nene na iria cia kaunti. Kuria mucemanio uyu ukinyanirie njira itiganite cia kurunga maundu maya niguo gukinyaniria ukuria wa bururi.
I live here even wiser than when I came in, because we have gotten a lot of insights on what is happening in the counties and on the ground, why some of our projects are not moving forward. Obviously, because the governors have got better, more accurate and current contextual knowledge of the implementation of the project, we have been very well informed and very well educated on what we need to do.
Koguo ni twera bureaucracy ya kera meguku marute magoti moke mashinani twaje kwaraniria tuthie kwaji kutumira tukwenda gwika maundu mana kwaji kuige ekwenda matatu kana mana to implement maundu macio na tondu ithuothe ni twitikanairie pira inya ni cia ne devolved functions pinya ni indo ja cigiteithia county itu ni guthie na mbere ciothe 47 twenda county ciothe cithi kuwetwo.
Mucemanio urumirire ndugamano ta ino mwena wa Naikuru muthenya wa ira kuria arutwo thukuru wa KMTC wa Naikuru maratabanirie mururungano makimenereria mwaka uria ukoretwo ugitabanio kiwanja-ini gia thukuru ucio magikwira ni kuyuiyitwo no muthia wa uhoro na gukorwo mathukangitie mwaka uyu niguo kurakurikanire mwaka ucio uratabanio ni thirikari nene iritanirine na thirikari ya kaunti no indi muingi wa guku ndurari na umenyo o wothe ukonainie naguo. Riu mucemanio wa mweri wa kumurika uria tabarira itiganite cia uthii wa na mbere iratabanio ni uiguithaniirio kuhanikaga gatagati ka honge ici igiri itemi-ini ria gukinyaniria ituge inya cia uthii wa na mbere cia President Uhuru Kenyatta. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.